presented by Nissan, who invites you to shift the way you move.
ABC's Modern Family, The Return, Wednesday, September 22nd at 9/8 Central, part of Red Carpet Premiere Week on ABC.
Welcome back to the College Football Countdown presented by Nissan as we march down to 3:30. Remind you what is available on ESPN3.com. Of course, that Florida State Oklahoma game we're talking about. But we also want to point out